Hey guys! Welcome back to Bio Mode, the place where beauty meets inspiration. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a single story from the glamorous world of fashion, fame, and confidence. Today, we're stepping into the stunning life of the one and only Latina Barbie, a model whose beauty, curves, and charisma have made her an internet sensation. Known for her bold style and magnetic presence, Latina Barbie has become a true icon of modern modeling. Born and raised in the heart of Miami, Florida, Latina Barbie grew up surrounded by music, culture, and creativity. From a young age, she loved dressing up, posing for pictures, and dreaming of becoming a model. But it wasn't just her looks that made her stand out. It was her unstoppable attitude and belief in herself. Her journey began on social media, where she started posting captivating photos that showcased her hourglass figure and confident personality. People instantly fell in love with her boldness and beauty. Within months, her followers skyrocketed, and soon she was collaborating with well-known fashion, swimwear, and lingerie brands. Latina Barbie didn't just become a model, she became a movement for self-confidence and body positivity. Standing around 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighing approximately 78 kilograms, 172 pounds, Latina Barbie's full body measurements are around 40-31-45 inches. Her curvy physique, radiant smile, and signature confidence have made her one of the most admired plus-size influencers today. She owns her curves with pride, proving that beauty comes in every shape and size. Her social media is a world of luxury and style, filled with glamorous photo shoots, fashion collaborations, and glimpses of her high-end lifestyle. From designer outfits and exotic vacations to luxury cars and red carpet moments, Latina Barbie lives life on her own terms, bold, bright, and beautiful. Her estimated net worth is believed to be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, earned through modeling contracts, brand deals, and digital promotions. She's also a role model for young women worldwide who admire her journey from self-belief to success. With over 1 million followers across her social media platforms, Latina Barbie has built a powerful online presence that continues to grow every day. Fans love her mix of confidence, charm, and positivity. She's not just a model, but an influencer who motivates others to love themselves unapologetically. Latina Barbie's story is a shining reminder that dreams come true when you combine passion with persistence. She's proof that confidence is the key to conquering any runway, whether it's in fashion or life. So guys, if you enjoyed this glamorous glimpse into the life of Latina Barbie, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing stories only here on Bio Mode. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep believing in your own kind of beauty.